Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix can't send message on Instagram. So if you're not able to send message to somebody on Instagram, the first thing I will suggest you to do is check if you're blocked or not. Because if you're blocked by that person, then of course you can't send them message. And check that if you have blocked them or not. If you have blocked them as well, you won't be able to send them message. But let's say you are not blocked and they have also not blocked you and you're still not able to send each other messages. Then the other thing you can do is delete your Instagram and reinstall it again. Sometimes a bug causes the problem, so deleting and reinstalling your Instagram should fix it. If it's still not fixed even after doing that, click on the person looking icon at the bottom right and then click on the 3 line at the top right of your screen, and then over here where it says search, you can search for help. Once you search for help, click on over here where it says help, and from inside here click on report a problem. Click on report problem without shaking at the bottom and click on don't include and continue. Now over here explain your problem. You want to write this: I'm not able to message my friend on Instagram, can you help me fix it? And click on send at the top right. Once you do that, this report will be sent to Instagram. Instagram staff will view it and they'll help you fix a problem. So these are the way on how we guys can fix can't send message on Instagram. Hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide. I'll see you guys next time.